When you search for the difference between a juicer and a blender, everything looks the exact same. Same claims, same features, same photos. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer. The Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and promise of efficiency. It's a powerful electric slow masticating juicer that touts an XL capacity, perfect for those who love their juice. If you want a juicer that can handle large quantities without a fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 24-ounce juice jug means you can make enough juice for the whole family in one go, and the 36-ounce pulp container minimizes the hassle of constant emptying. With its 150-watt motor, it's designed to extract juice while preserving nutrients, which is crucial if you're looking for health benefits. This juicer has been bought over 3,000 times in the past month, showing it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the price being on the higher side for a juicer. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about juicing and want something that lasts while giving you the best results, it's a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you have a busy lifestyle and want quick, nutritious juices without the hassle. Skip this one if you only juice occasionally or are on a tight budget.
Product number 2, GDOR 800-watt juicer machine. The GDOR 800-watt juicer machine is a game changer for anyone looking to whip up fresh juices without breaking the bank. Priced at just $32.99, it's an affordable option that promises to deliver. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is worth a serious look. This juicer features a 3-inch wide feed chute, which means less chopping and more juicing. It also has a dual speed function, allowing you to juice softer fruits on a low speed and harder vegetables on a high speed. The anti-drip function is a nice touch, preventing messy spills, and it's BPA-free, which is essential for health-conscious buyers. With over 900 units sold in the last month, it's clearly resonating with consumers. However, some users mention that it's a bit noisy during operation. Honestly, if you're juicing early in the morning, that could be annoying. But for the price, it's still a solid option that performs well. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable juicer that won't empty your wallet. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter machine or have more advanced juicing needs. Product number 3, HouseNat Juicer. Next up is the HouseNat Juicer. This one is designed with beginners in mind and comes in at a reasonable $34.99. If you want something simple yet effective for daily juicing, this is worth a serious look. With a 400-watt motor and a 3-speed setting, you can adjust your juicing based on what you're working with. The quick juicing feature is excellent for those busy mornings. Plus, it includes a cleaning brush and juicing recipes, which is a nice bonus for newcomers to juicing. It's already gained traction, with over 500 units sold recently. That said, some people found it less effective for leafy greens. Here's my take. If you're primarily juicing fruits or harder vegetables, it will work just fine. But if you want to make green juices regularly, you might want something more specialized. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into juicing and want something user-friendly. Skip this if you're looking to juice a lot of greens or need a heavy-duty machine.
Product number 4, Portable Blender. The portable blender is a fun choice for anyone who's always on the go. At just $15.99, it's super affordable and incredibly convenient. If you need something compact for smoothies or shakes, this is worth a serious look. It features a USB rechargeable battery and 6 blades that create a powerful blending action, making it ideal for quickly whipping up shakes with fruits and veggies. Weighing only 450 grams, it's lightweight and perfect for travel, whether you're at the gym, camping, or just at home. The fact that it can make 10 to 15 cups on a single charge is pretty impressive for such a small device. However, I noticed some users reported that it struggles with harder ingredients. Honestly, if you're looking to blend ice or tough veggies, you might be disappointed. But for everyday smoothies, it gets the job done well. This is perfect for you if you want a portable smoothie solution that doesn't take up space. Skip this one if you need something that can handle tougher blending tasks.
Product number 5, BB Seri Portable Juicer Blender. Lastly,
we have the BB Series Portable Juicer Blender, which offers a unique twist on convenience. Priced at $29.80, it's a solid option for those who want fresh juice anytime, anywhere. If you're looking for something portable yet powerful, this is worth a serious look. With a 350 milliliter capacity and a powerful 7.4 motor, this blender uses electrolysis technology to quickly decompose fruit pulp while retaining dietary fiber. It's designed for easy cleaning and has safety features like automatic stop protection. Plus, it's stylish and easy to carry, making it a great companion for travel or workouts. It's already gained attention with over 50 units sold recently. That said, a few users mentioned it takes a bit longer to charge than expected. Here's the thing, if you're patient and plan ahead, it's not a deal breaker. It still offers great functionality for on-the-go juicing. This is perfect for you if you're always traveling and want to make fresh juice easily. Skip this one if you need something that can handle larger batches, or if you want a more traditional juicer.
So there you have it. From the powerful Ninja Never Clog juicer to the portable BB Series juicer blender, each option has something unique to offer. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly juicer or a compact blender, there's something here for everyone. Just remember, your choice should reflect your lifestyle and juicy needs.